Guys, there we have a Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how you can rearrange your home and lock screen on this device. So in the first step we start from the widgets. If you want to add some, just hold the finger on the home screen, and choose widgets. Then you can choose the add, and if you want to add some, just hold the finger again and choose the place for it. If you already click done. But if you want to change the size of it, just hold the finger again and use the edges of it. You can also add a system widgets by this little plus. You can add a step tracker, weather, or other like that things. And that's it for the widgets. If you want to remove it, just use that red icon. If you want to add a folder on your home screen, just hold any app and drop onto another. As you can see, now we have a folder. If you want to change the name of it, just click here. If you want to remove the folder, just take out all of apps to the home screen again. If you want to change the layout, hold the finger again, choose the layout, and select the new one. You can also change the icon style or set a custom. If you want to change the transition of your home screen, now it's look like that. You can change it into a square, for example. And that's it from this bottom menu. Now we can go to the more, and how you can see, there we have more options, like changing animation speed, home screen layout, clock style, other like that things. Now we can go to the settings, go to the wallpapers and style, and if you want to change the always on display, just choose something from there. You can also change a theme of your device by clicking apply. And that's work in that way. You can also change the font, icons like a previous. You can change the colors of your system or just set it as custom. If you want to change the icon size in your top menu, go to the quick settings and choose your new icon shape. You can also change the fingerprint animation and edge lighting. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment. If you're looking for more videos of this phone, just visit our channel, and goodbye.